Hey guys, how you doing today? We are here in Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic, and we are going to one of the most popular locations on the island, and that is called Bávaro Beach. Everybody compares it to Boracay in the Philippines, and judging from the pictures, I don't deny that, but we'll see. Turquoise blue waters, beautiful white sands, palm trees, all that stuff. So let's go. Our condo actually gives you a free shuttle down to the beach, so we're gonna go down there in about 5 minutes and line up. Let's do this. All right, we're on our way to the beach here on the shuttle. Don't quite know what place we'll end up, but let's see. All right guys, so we are not actually at Bavaro Beach. We're at Playa de Arena Blanca. So it means white sands beach in English. So they all do connect. You can get to Bavaro Beach from here. All right, so we did a little looking, and Bavaro Beach is actually 6.6 kilometers away from here, so I doubt we'll reach that today. But this is actually the longest beach in the Caribbean, so you can do a hell of a lot of walking. But we're just gonna sit here under this shade for a little bit, and then we'll walk down the beach and check out some other areas. Nice little shady spot here. Perfect place to relax. So gorgeous here in the Caribbean. Gotta love it.
Those are makas. Look at how beautiful it is.
So one thing that everyone talks about when it comes to Punta Cana is the sargassum, the seaweed. And there is a little bit here. It depends really on the geography and the current, you know, and the tides. So we're going through a section with a little bit of seaweed. We just went through another section with minimal seaweed. And then of course some of the resorts are raking it up and whatnot. But out here it's pretty good swimming. There's not much seaweed out there, so you're good to go there. Grand Bávaro Princess. 5-star resort here. Vlogger lady. Bunch of all-inclusive resorts, it looks like. Cleaning up the seaweed. Okay, so we passed Playa del Cortecito, and we actually made it all the way to Playa Bávaro. It wasn't quite as far as we thought. So we're gonna stop and swim here. We'll find a place with no sargasso. Do that. Here he comes. No gracias aquí. Bavaro Beach. Beautiful little section here. Lots of vendors offering tours and massages and all kinds of stuff like that. All right, after like an hour of walking, we're finally going in that blue water. It was hard to find a good spot for shade and everything. Oh, the water is so refreshing. Not that cold, but it's beautiful. It's perfect, I think. Look at that. This is paradise, that's for sure. It reminds me of Panglao in the Philippines. Looks a lot like it, actually. Same kind of geography. The middle of the day now, and look how blue that water has turned. Gorgeous. Nice and warm too.